Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Lincolnshire at Skegness. Skegness regularly gets voted as one of the worst seaside destinations in the UK, and I don't know why, because I absolutely love it here. So we're going to have a little tour around. We're going to start at the boating lake, past the seal sanctuary, go check out the pier and have a walk all across the promenade, visit the arcades and have a look at what Skegness has to offer. Come on, let's go check it out.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
Right, so we're just starting at the north of the town and the waterway boat ride. So you can have a little stroll round. I don't know if the boat still comes up here, but there is this little jetty and it looks like you can. And then you kind of got all these, looks like castle ruins, which is all pretty fun. We're going to head down this way, down the promenade. So this is the seal sanctuary, right at the top of the town. It's a great little day out if you ever want to visit. I have got a full tour of the seal sanctuary on my YouTube channel, so I'll drop a link in the description if you want to have a view around there. It's well worth a visit. I must say Skegness keep their gardens very nicely. There's quite a few of them as you walk down the promenade and they're all kept in real good condition. Nice flower displays, nice place for a little stroll through if you get a bit bored of being on the beach. So as you can see here, so we've got the seal sanctuary just here and then these beautiful gardens, all those little beach huts, and then over there some bowling greens, quite a few bowling greens, 3 or 4 of them. So all these bowling greens, just at the back of, I think this is King Arthur's pub or restaurant or grill, we'll check that out in a second. This one has seen better days, it's a bit rough around the edges, but if you like bowls, this is the place to be. King Arthur's bar, here we go. It's actually really nicely themed, this, if we go around to the front. Very castle-esque. Really cool looking place with the knights on top. Sure, it's nice here. Happy hour 3 till 6. A few happy hours, nice. So at this top end of Skegness you've got all these beautiful little seaside hotels. North Parade Hotel, Harbour Hotel, they all look lovely. Traditional B&Bs, I'd imagine. And then as we get into the town, we get into the more hustle and bustle. A few fast food places down here, KFC, McDonald's, and then all the amusements, all the arcades. Arnold Palmer's putting green. It's like we've got crazy golf and we've got your traditional putting green. Very nice. The Grand Hotel. There's always a Grand, and there's always a Savoy, isn't there? Wherever you go. Not the originals though. So we've got Premier Inn just to our left here, prime location on the seafront. And then we've got the pier next to it, so we'll go check out the pier now. Go have a look through the arcade, and we'll go walk up the pier. Let's check out the beach. Looking lovely today. The sun's not quite out yet, it's still quite early. But very nice. The metal detecting guy's out already. Trying to find some bounty. So a little stroll to the end of the pier then. This central bit you can't see through, but if you go to the side, don't look down. All the padlocks, loads of padlocks. So I think this is the plan to extend Skegness Pier quite significantly. It says this isn't to scale, but if you look at this map, it goes to currently there, and they're going to go all out here. All these things, fun fairs, seating areas, should be good. So just on the promenade now, and the beach, absolutely beautiful. We're going to go back up this way, and then go check out the rest of the main strip, the promenade. These are the arcades opposite the pier. There's lots to choose from. Not short of an arcade around here. Every machine you can want, including the old boxing machines. Start the arcades here. Oasis, Funlands, Plaza, Empire. All massive, all busy. Pleasure Beach Promenade. It's not yet open. That's the entrance for you. And what we got here, the Wild River Rapids. A log flume. Who doesn't love a log flume? Here's the Embassy Theatre. I think Jimmy Carr's performing there soon. What they got on at the moment, the Wizard of Oz. If you want to come see his show. And then afterwards you can have a pint at the Jolly Fisherman, the Weatherspoons. This is a cracking fish and chip shop over there. The Trawler's Catch. The theming's amazing, it's like all pirate themed. And it's very good. We're coming up to the island with the clock tower on. And over here we've got the Fountain of Jolly John. Then I really like this bit of road that goes between the pleasure beach and the park with the or the boating lake with the aquarium. These are all lit up at night and it looks really, really cool. And you got the bandstand over there. So we're going to go up here and take a right, and then we're going to go through the little park past the boating lake. And I think there's like a little splashland thing for the kids, so we go check that out. We'll go look at the pleasure beach later. That'll be in another video. I'll put a link in the description. But the theming for it's all pretty cool. Ride the riverboat. I do want to ride the riverboat, but we're going to go this way. Cool little tunnel. Who doesn't love a tunnel? Got the old pedalos in the marine lake. Get yourself a drink at the lighthouse. Do beers too, nice. Marine Lake, created in 2012. Here we are here, and then you get Fairydale paddling pool, which we'll go check out now, and then we'll walk around the rest of the lake. Look at that pigeon over there pretending he's a duck, trying to pretend he's an interesting bird. The colour of the water is really interesting. It's like a weird, I don't know if it picks up on camera, but it's a really weird green, like almost like an artificial green. This is the little paddling pool, Fairydale paddling pool. This is really good if you've got young kids. You can have a sit on the little rock benches and they can have a little play in the pools. Little cool benches all along here. They can go have a shower and splash around in a nice safe place. It's all like spongy stuff on the floor as well, so it's not too bad if you have a little fall. There's quite a lot of feathers though, that's the only issue. But nice feature for the kids. And then down here we've got the rest of the lake. Much bigger bit of the lake. I wonder if this is a weird colour green too. Please do not feed the geese. I'm not sure you have a choice with the geese, they're a bit snatchy, aren't they, with the old beaks. You can see it's a nice place to come for a walk, especially if you're getting a bit red on the beach and you need a break from the sunbathing. It's just checking out the beach now. Sand is absolutely lovely. I think they come and not rake it but flatten it down, I think, overnight. So it's all very good. And I was going to show you the sea, but it's absolutely miles out, so I'm not sure I can be bothered to walk all out there. But if you've never been to Skegness, it's an absolutely massive beach. It's It's literally like a desert. And then you've got the pleasure grounds and all your amenities. So there's Skegness and all it has to offer. I don't understand why it's the worst rated seaside destination. I absolutely love it. Just come check it out. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much for watching.
Sky high vibes, tracks down low, jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.